Delete whole 3D array if contains any num. I have a set of images represented by a 3D array. Abstractly, what I want to do is delete an entire image if any of its pixel values is a num. Imagine we got the following array. Now what I want to get is a function that, given that array, returns true, true, false. In order to finally use np.delete, I have tried the following, which works. However, I find it hard to believe that there isn't a function in NumPy that is more efficient, and since I have a lot of images, I would like to optimize it as much as possible.
As already answered by Michael Chesney, more Pythonic way would be: if that piece of code is hard to understand, then consider extracting each image with a for loop as follows. Both approaches should give you similar output.